Scientific study of RIG VEDA, Class 9. We are going through Sooktha 1, which is related with AGNI or energy. Today also in the remaining Sooktha Mandras, the same Devada is AGNI or energy. So let us go through the next three mantras, 4, 5 and 6. So let us first go through the mantra 4 and see what it says.
RIGVEDam Mandal-1 Adhyayam 1 Sooktha 1-4 Agneyam Yajnamadhvaram Vishwada Paribhurasi Sa Iddeveshu Gacchadi.
It says, if we are using AGNI in our yajna, it will remove all the hindrances in our activity. We are using AGNI to overcome such hurdles or opposition from the system. For example, if we want to cook rice is very hard. As per Newton's first law, this rice has a tendency to retain its position. So to make it soft, we should apply an external force. That is, this rice is in the Sattva guna to remain in that position without any change. So to overcome it, we should apply Rajo guna. That is, an external force is required. Then only, at the same time, there is an opposition there, as per Newton's third law, reaction. Or as per Veda, Tamo guna. It will oppose the change to retain in the same position without reducing its hardness. So we should apply more force to overcome this hurdle, this opposition, to make it soft. So a fight is taking place inside the rice, and with the help of AGNI, it overcomes this and produces the food, rice, soft food. This is taking place in every reaction. If we are going to convert, if we want to convert one thing to another, we should apply energy. Otherwise, it will try to remain as such. If we are taking rest, we have a tendency to remain in that position. That is, when we are at rest, we have a tendency to remain as such. But to come out from it, we should use some force. The mind also will say, no, not now, after some time. Likewise, a negative force also will act there. So, to overcome all such things, we should energy. If we see some bad things outside taking place, our mind will say, don't go there, don't involve in it. So that is the negative force. At the same time, we have a desire to go and involve in the activity to make it correct. But there is a negative. So to overcome this, we should apply our mind, courage, etc. This courage, everything is related with the energy. To do some work, we should take energy. Then that energy is going to overcome these hurdles. That is what it says. So wherever any actions are taking place, at the same time there is reaction also that will try to maintain it in its present position, in its Newton, as per Newton's first law or Sattva guna. So when we try to move from that position to a higher level, there is a negative force also as per Newton's third law or Tamo Guna, which will force us the system to remain as such in the present state. So that is to be overcome by the external force we are using. That force is energy. So energy will remove all hurdles in our action. From that force will satisfy this devas in the heaven. That means by doing such things, we are producing a new thing which is similar to that like a deva in the heaven. That means it will become a higher, it will reach in a higher level. Rice is hard, it cannot be used as such. But if it is cooked, its money value is increased. So reaches to a higher level. That Devada, the new Devada, the old Devada is rice hard, which is not possible to eat. But the new Devada which form is in the heaven, that is in a higher level. So by using energy, we can increase the money value of this product and it will reach in a higher level. By using mud, we can make it chip, which is very value-wise, very high-priced item, chip. But the mud is low level. By using energy, we are converting mud. Mud means not all mud, silicon. We can convert it into a chip by using energy and technology. Then it is value added production. Its value increases. This chip is in the heaven and mud is in the ground. Now let us go to the next mantra, that is 5, and see what it says. It tells Agni to come there where those people are ready to give havis or inputs with the support of knowledge. That means if we are going to perform a very good production activity or something, we are ready to give material to it. For example, in the case of chip manufacture, we are giving that sand material to the system, and we are with it Nana. We are doing this, going to do this operation with the support of technology. So we are ready to apply the correct technology there. So we are ready to give technology and the hobbies or those material which are ready to, which can be converted into a higher level, that is to make chips. Then we invite, as per this Sooktha, invite Agni to come there, Urja to come there, to take part in that activity. So who all are going to do such works? It instructs or it invites Agni to come there. Definitely Agni will come there, energy will come there. For example, if we want to convert vegetable to a sambar curry, or to convert this rice to rice food, soft food, sweet food, then we are ready to give rice, raw rice and water etc. into this yajna field. And now we are inviting Agni. Inviting Agni means lighting that fire, the stove. We are inviting Agni to convert it into the delicious food. So we should invite Agni wherever we are going to produce new things, heavenly objects. We should invite Agni there. That means without Agni or Urja, we cannot perform any action to improve the quality or to improve the money value of that money value added product. Value added product, we may say so in modern management. So, if we want to convert one item to a very good form, another good usable state, we should invite Agni to come there, and that the required material inputs, however, should be given to it, and we should apply knowledge also. Then only it is, then thereafter we should apply knowledge, correct knowledge and material, and then invite Agni. It will convert it into beautiful things or heavenly products. Now let us go through the next mantra, that is sixth mantra, and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 അധ്യായം 1 സൂക്തം 1-6 യദംഗദാശുഷേ ത്വമഗ്നേ ഭദ്രം കരിഷ്യസി തവേതത് സത്യം അംഗിരഹാം.
If it says, if anyone does such things, he will get prosperity. Agni gives prosperity to him. Because Agni is accepting such action. Agni is taking such action. Because if we are cooking, we are giving materials to Agni. All the rice, raw rice and water, etc. we are giving to Agni. And Agni is ready to accept it and to convert it to new product. Thus, we will get a new products. We are giving this to Agni. So, we should give everything to Agni. Suppose we want to cook food. We are giving water and rice to Agni. We are placing it on keeping in a pot. We are giving it to Agni. Agni takes it. So actually Agni is taking it and converting it to a new product. So now let us go through the next mantras in the coming class.